The product expands the open Android system platform through the car USB interface, enables on-demand app installation for expanded audiovisual entertainment and advanced navigation capabilities. Besides, it also supports 4G, GPS, Bluetooth, phone, mobile. Connectivity enables wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. By connecting to other displays via the HDMI port, you can achieve high-definition image output. The screen can be split and switched to display multiple sources simultaneously without interference, ensuring a safe and unobtrusive driving experience.
Eric, you know me so well. My family's been fighting.
I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute.
Hey, watch out, make it. Watch out, make it.